Lungu's body to be returned to Zambia for state burial, court rules. The 10th of August 2025, Spread the Love, by Taffy THCMAN. The legal battle over the remains of former Zambian President Edgar Lungu has taken a decisive turn after the Pretoria High Court, in South Africa, ruled in favor of the Zambian government. The court ordered that Lungu's body be repatriated to Zambia for a state funeral and burial at the presidential burial site, Embassy Park in Lusaka. This follows weeks of tense dispute between the late president's family and the Zambian government. Lungu's family has been pushing for a private burial in South Africa, claiming it was the former president's wish to exclude current President Hakainde Hichilema from the funeral. However, the court found insufficient evidence to justify such a burial and emphasized Zambia's national interest in honoring a former head of state. The standoff began shortly after Lungu's death in South Africa 2 months ago. An attempt by the family to bury him there on the 25th of June was halted by a Pretoria High Court order obtained by the Zambian government. Under Zambian tradition, all former presidents are buried at Embassy Park. The dispute has been further fueled by the strained relationship between Lungu and Hichilema. Political tensions date back to 2017, when Hichilema was jailed for 4 months on disputed treason charges during Lungu's presidency. The family accuses Hichilema's government of harassing Lungu after he left office, including restricting his travel and barring him from contesting the 2026 presidential elections. Despite the court ruling, the repatriation may face delays. Reports indicate that the Lungu family plans to appeal, arguing that the sanctity and dignity of the funeral should reflect the deceased's wishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates.